Hi, my name is Manav, and in this video, I'm going to discuss something that a lot of students, working professionals, ask me. That is, Manav, what is the best way to learn data science and machine learning? And my answer to that always is that if you want to fight a war, don't fight war in peace. You actually practice for war. And the same thing applies to data science as well. If you want to become a data scientist, just mimic what data scientists do in real world. And what data scientists do in real world essentially is they understand business problems, number one. Then they do analysis of that business problem through the given data, right, number two. And then they build machine learning models and they try to automate things and they get insights. And the same thing that you exactly the same process you try to follow when you're trying to learn data science. How do you do that? Let me just explain very quickly that to you. The first thing that you do is you learn data analysis. In data analysis, you learn packages like NumPy, how to manipulate data, how to clean data, right? Because as a data scientist, you should not expect that you'll get all clean good data. What you'll need to do is you'll need to clean data, and that's what you need to learn data analysis packages like NumPy, Pandas. You need to learn data visualization packages like Seaborn, Matplotlib, Bouquet, etc. If you have the power of these data analysis packages, as a data scientist, you're already at a very strong footing. After that, you move to machine learning, and you should not learn all machine learning concepts in one go. I always recommend that focus on the basic machine learning algorithms first so that you feel confident about the area, and more importantly, try to focus on the application part of machine learning instead of just learning the algorithm basics, right? For example, if I'm taking an algorithm like linear regression, I would want to learn what is linear regression, when to use linear regression, what are the assumptions of linear regression, when not to use linear regression, what kind of data set linear regression is good at, what kind of data set linear regression is bad at, what kind of problems linear regression can solve, and what are the various ways in which can actually be used, and then actually using it in data sets. So what it does is it makes you very, very strong in the real world application of data science and machine learning. Now, the third step after you have learned data analysis and machine learning is what I recommend, data visualization. So data visualization, how it helps you is, if you have the power of a data visualization tool like say Tableau, you can build amazing, powerful visualizations, and you can present your story in front of end stakeholders very simply in very, very powerful way. Now, learning data visualization tool like Tableau is not mandatory, but it certainly is helpful. Now, those are the basic steps that you need to know if you want to become a data scientist, and that's a suggested learning path. But if you want to become an expert in this field, I always recommend you to explore machine learning as an area even more. Machine learning is very vast, and that's what you would want to master advanced concepts like optimizing machine learning models. You would want to do cross validation. You would want to learn how to build recommender systems. You would want to learn how to do time series modeling. You would want to do how to learn how to do detect anomalies. And this is something which is very, very useful in IoT use cases. And if you know this, then you are among the very strong people in this space, because not a lot of people know things beyond the basics in machine learning. And this is something that I recommend everyone. Now, if you want to add one more skill set to your portfolio and have that added advantage in the job market, try to learn deep learning basics as well. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which is heavily used in artificial intelligence. You have things like convolution neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and the concepts are used in field of AI. This, however, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, so that's why this is something that I recommend. And especially because the future belongs to deep learning, you're going to see lot of amazing things happening in the future because of deep learning. This is something that I recommend anyone who is serious about learning data science and machine learning to add to their skill set. I hope the learning path is clear to you, and I hope that if you follow this learning path, you are able to you transition successfully into a data science role in the next 6 to 12 months. Thank you for watching this video, and do send me your questions. I hopefully will make a video on that very soon.